Hey everyone, this is my Masterbuilt 560 Gravity Series smoker, and this video is going to be about how to pre-season it, because you don't want to use it to cook any meat or anything until you've actually burned off all the chemicals that came with it from the manufacturing process. So the first thing you do is you fill this hopper here with charcoal. I just used this Kingsford charcoal here, and you fill it up. See, it starts from here, kind of go about a third of the way up with charcoal, and then you go ahead and you put the starter in here. I just use a little bit of cardboard. You put it right there and you light it up, and then you close, you make sure it's lit. You kind of put the flame under here, light it up, and then you close this door like that. And then you close the top. You can see what it looks like now, because I actually am finished with the process. So, but that's where you put the charcoal in. And all these instructions are actually on the guide that comes with the grill. The next step is you turn it on by plugging it in here with this wire, and then you press that button. You use this to set the temperature to 250 degrees, and use this to set the timer to 1 hour. And what that does, it'll turn the fan on. It'll make sure the flame from that cardboard that you lit will light up the charcoal. And then I actually had to do it twice because it didn't work the first time. And the fan actually just turned off because it wasn't getting hot. So I had to get more cardboard, put it back in there, light it up again, and then try it again. So yeah, you run it at 250 degrees for 1 hour, and then you set the temperature to 400 degrees and you run it for 30 minutes. So once you're done with that, you shut the grill down completely by basically turning it off with this button right here. And then you put these two shut off flaps back in to kind of starve the charcoal of any oxygen, so it'll save whatever charcoal you have left or a part of it. And then what you're going to do is you let the grill cool down completely. Then you're going to take some, once it's like completely cooled down to nothing, you're going to take a napkin or a rag and put some cooking oil. I plan on using avocado oil on all the grates on the inside. So pretty much the entire inside of the grill, you want to put cooking oil on here, on those. You want to wipe it on all the sides and even this part. And you can even take them out, flip them over, make sure you get them all oiled up. And then once you're done with that, you set it for 90 minutes, so an hour and a half at 350 degrees. So once you're done with that, you're pretty much the whole grill seasoned, and by frequently seasoning it, it'll prevent rust, and it'll just help your grill last longer. So that's the process. And yeah, that's it. That's the video. If you guys have questions, put in the comments below. This is my first smoker, and looking forward to using it.